the sort of introduction to a song that you'll probably recognise. But we need from you, please, the artist or the title, and of course, with just clue one, it's usually the trickiest. Let's have a listen to what we can give you. This afternoon, so I'm just kind of flailing around for the final bit of half term.
Can't go, can we?
The Admiral boat rises just by the Cave Hill Cafe. Rises just by the Cave Hill Cafe, with lots of activities on now till 3 o'clock this afternoon. And on the telly, the Graham Norton Show. It's the one at the end of the series tonight where they have the compilation of the highlights. So if you've missed any of the bits, you'll be able to catch up with the guests like Judi Dench, Olivia Colman, Michael Caine, Lady Gaga. You've started off with Lionel Richie because he was the legend in 2015. 2016 was Jeff Lynne's ELO, and 2017 was Barry Gibb. So for all